Hi there. Today we're gonna talk about a common question that occurs is why do we graft some plants and trees? Usually grafting occurs when we have some trees which when grown by seed will take a lot of time to come to fruiting. Here we have an example. This is a white sapot, and this usually the white sapot usually takes from seed or a cutting usually takes up to 8 or even 10 years depending on the climate and some conditions to come to fruiting. So here we have a 3 to 4 year old plant or tree, and a friend of mine has an already mature tree. When we say mature, it means which is already producing fruit, and so we can take a small shortcut. And by small shortcut it means that we can take fruit in 1 or 2 years. This trick is usually done by grafting some mature branches from her tree, which are producing fruit, onto our young tree. This tree was grafted multiple times. We have around four graftings just to give us a head start. When these will take on, we'll remove any old growth from the tree, so the plant owner focuses its energy on the new growth. This will help us have a duplicate of a mature tree which produces good fruit, because from seed we don't know what we're getting. It can be a good tree or a bad tree. It's a lottery, you don't know what you're getting. But it will also give us some pros and cons from the other tree. If the other tree has great big fruit and they are sweet, when we graft a cutting from that tree to this, the same fruit will come back to us. So grafting isn't just to propagate one type of fruit onto another, depending on the family of the rootstock and the tree. There has to be compatibility. For example, almonds and peaches, almonds and plums, so on. But it also means it can fasten the process into which we have our fruit to eat. Hope you enjoyed this video. If so, give us a thumbs up and please subscribe.